Good evening, students. Now I want to explain about the Telangana history. In this Group 1 mains, I asked the questions. First question is, examine how the Qutub Shahi rulers laid the foundations for the emergence of composite culture in Golconda. Elucidate with a specific example. Next, compulsory question 6-1. This is 7th also. Though Telangana peasants' armed struggle was deemed to be the result of local causative factors, its ramifications were national significance. Justify. Next, eighth. In the eighth, you can get option A and B. Anyone you can write it. Analyze the way in which the social and cultural life of the people evolved under Shatavahanas and Ikshvakas. Next B. Sammakka Saralamma Jatra, besides its established ritualistic practices, has been a powerful testimony to the tribal identity. Comment. Next, in the ninth question, also we get the two options. In the mid 19th century, when British colonialism was at its heights, how did Salar Jung as the Diwan of Hyderabad state played a dual role by appeasing the British on one side and furthering the interest of the state on the other side. Next, option B. How was the growth and development of modern industries in Hyderabad state under the 6th and 7th Nizams intimately linked to the social elite? 10th one. To what extent Dalit movement in Hyderabad state strived for social upliftment and inculcate political consciousness. Next, option B, you can write either A or B. Assess the way Hyderabad State Congress under Swami Ramananda Tirtha charted a course of action to transform the state from autocracy to integration. These are the 5 questions. You can write in the exam. These are the easy questions. First 2 are compulsory, remaining are option A or B. Thank you, students.